Charlotte, 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 what noise does an octopus make? What noise does a monkey make? What about an elephant? What about a cow? What about Sven? What about Elsa? Okay. What about a cow? I mean, a cat. What about a jellyfish? What about a turtle? What about a fish? What about a dog? What about a frog? Robert? What noise does Daddy make?
You got accent in it too.
What does a horse make? What about a goat? What about a sheep? What about a rooster? What about a chicken? What about a duck? A duck? Okay. What about a turkey?
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
What about a peacock? What noise does a rock make? What noise does the wind make?
What? I thought it used to be swoosh, swoosh, swoosh.
What does rain make? What about a storm? Thunder. What about... I don't know. What noise does a tree make?
Lay
Um,
down.
back to my favourite. What does an octopus make?
What about a jellyfish? That's my favourite.
I love the octopus. Oka, oka, oka.